Hello, thanks a lot for stopping by How to Cook Great. Now if you like what you see, there's over 3,000 other cooking videos on our channel. Give us a thumbs up, leave a comment and I'll try and get back to you. Okay, let's get on with this one. Hello, thanks a lot for stopping by How to Cook Great. Now if you like what you see, there's over 3,000 other cooking videos on our channel. Give us a thumbs up, leave a comment and I'll try and get back to you. Okay, let's get on with this one. Okay, so in this video what we're going to be doing is a boil, spice and then barbecue method. Works really well with chicken. Sometimes, you know, you can get chicken that's burnt on the outside and a little bit raw on the inside. This is a kind of, you know, a really easy way to ensure that it's juicy, cooked, and we're going to pump loads and loads of flavour into it. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so what I've got here is 2 chickens. Now each chicken is 1.1 kg, so 2.3 pounds each. Skin is on, bone is in, obviously. What I've done is I butterflied it or spatchcocked it. I took the back bone out and then I've just halved it. Now what we're going to do is we're going to do a method of boiling and then barbecuing. Why am I doing this? Okay, one, the boiling process is going to pump loads of flavour into it because we're going to put lots of stuff into the water. 2, really simple to then barbecue. Let's get on with it. Okay, so I've got my chicken in water enough to cover it. I'm going to put the heat on. Then we can start adding what we want, really. First thing you want to do is get some salt in there. Then I'm going to add some ginger. I'm going to add a lime or lemon, you know, just give that a squeeze and then pop that in. A couple of bay, a few dried chilies and some turmeric for a little bit of colour. I'm putting in there about 2 teaspoons. Bring that to the boil. Once it reaches boiling point, let it go on a nice rolling boil for about 8 minutes or so. You can be adding anything you want in here, some cinnamon or some garlic, up to you. So we're going to make a really simple barbecue sauce. So what I've got is half a cup of soy sauce, half a cup of ketchup, that's where we're going to get all our sugar from, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of sriracha, which is a mild chili. You can make it hotter if you want, 1 tablespoon of lemon or lime juice, and a couple of teaspoons of finely chopped garlic. Really, really easy. Let's mix that together. Got my ketchup there. Got my soy sauce. That little bit of lemon or lime in the mix, I like that. That little bit of garlic. The sriracha or kind of mild chili. The oyster sauce. And then a nice big pinch of black pepper. Let's give that a mix, job done. And that's it, that's really lovely. We can brush that on once we get the chicken on the grill. Okay, off goes the heat. And then we've got some lovely, fun-packed, beautiful chicken. Got a bit of the turmeric onto the skin. We've got some lovely flavours in there. Again, cardamom, you know, seeds or pods can go in there. Just so many different things, cumin seeds, you can really kind of get it how you want. What we're going to do is we're going to drain that off. We're going to discard the water and the bits. The chicken's ready for the barbecue. So what I like to do is get the charcoal nice and low. You know, I don't want flames coming up, just nice and red. And then what I do is get the chicken on, and then we're going to cook it for maybe 5 or 6 minutes like that, and then I'm going to brush it with a barbecue sauce, the one that we made or another one that you may have, and then I'm going to be turning it, beautiful. Works a treat every single time. Okay, and that is it. Give it a go. It really does work out really nicely, this one. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Well done for making it to the end of the video. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all of you that follow the channel on a regular basis. You know who you are. There's loads of you. I'm cooking away like non-stop. As you can see, I've got some lovely food right in front of me here. We're just about to start our cookbook. We're doing our cookbook at the moment, which is going to take a long time to come out. I know a lot of you have been asking for it, but yeah, it's going to take a while, lots to do. But yeah, cooking away. Chef June is working really hard on the channel as well, doing his Filipino food in Tagalog. Rahel's got her own channel now doing the Ethiopian food, which is marvelous. It is in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia, but check it out because she really, really is fantastic. I'm doing good. I hope you're doing great. Give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment. I do actually try and get back to everyone who leaves a comment for me. Subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. There's social media knocking about, you know, Instagram and Facebook and all that stuff if you want to check it out. But that's it. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love.